Last month, my old washer died while washing a muddy canvas tent, flooding my laundry room and ruining my gear. Shopping for a heavy-duty replacement was overwhelming, facing confusing specs, misleading claims, and inflated prices. You cannot afford an expensive mistake. In this video, I reveal the 7 best heavy-duty washing machines available today to solve your laundry nightmare once and for all. Stick around until the end, because my number 1 pick has a game-changing feature that completely transforms how you tackle your absolute hardest loads. 7. Maytag Top Load Washer with Deep Fill. The physical tub opening is undeniably wide, allowing you to throw in bulky items without needing to cram them under the rim. Maytag heavily promotes the manual deep fill toggle on this unit, which is designed to override the default automatic load sensing system. In theory, this allows you to add up to 3 additional water levels or fill the entire stainless steel wash tub to its maximum capacity. For workers who routinely bring home garments caked in thick dirt, clay, or sawdust, being able to submerge those fabrics in high volumes of water seems like an ideal solution. Upon unboxing, the machine felt solidly put together, featuring a powder-coated steel cabinet, heavy lid hinges, and an intuitive control dial. During our initial setup phase, we ran multiple calibration cycles to test how quickly the water valves filled the tub when set to the highest deep fill setting, measuring both water volume and thermal retention across warm and hot wash cycles. The mechanical heart of this machine is Maytag's low-profile power impeller, which replaces the traditional center post with a series of wide wash fins along the bottom of the drum. This impeller works in tandem with a triple action spray system that recirculates water from the bottom basin and rains it down over the top of the load. During our initial performance runs with moderately soiled athletic wear, bath towels, and flannel shirts, the combination of bottom-driven rotation and top spraying ensured that fabrics remained consistently saturated with detergent. We also spent significant time testing the quick wash cycle, which promises to complete small, lightly soiled loads in roughly 30 minutes. 6. Maytag High-Efficiency Top Load Washer with Extra Power. This expansive drum size allows you to load up to 25 full-sized bath towels or an entire family's worth of heavy winter clothes in a single load. One of the most practical physical additions to this model is a built-in water faucet located directly inside the upper rim of the drum. During our pre-treatment testing, this faucet proved incredibly handy for washing dried mud off boots, scrubbing grass-stained knees, or applying stain remover directly over the tub without dripping messy water across the laundry room floor. The cabinet features a sleek, modern finish with an elevated back-and-sole control panel that combines traditional tactile knobs with digital status displays. We spent days evaluating the machine's structural frame, measuring its weight distribution, and assessing how well its heavy-duty suspension system handled heavy, off-center loads during high-speed operation. A central feature of this unit is Maytag's Extra Power button, an engineered option that can be added to any wash cycle to boost stain-fighting performance. When pressed, the machine initiates a dual-temperature wash process, starting the cycle with cool water to break down protein-based stains like blood, mud, and food without setting them into the fabric fibers, before automatically heating the water to dissolve tough grease and oil stains. The machine offers 13 distinct wash cycles, ranging from delicates to heavy-duty, providing excellent customization for various fabric weights. Furthermore, this model includes smart connectivity through the Maytag smartphone app, allowing you to remotely track cycle progress, receive notifications when a load finishes, and troubleshoot operational errors. 5. LG Mega Capacity Smart Top Load Washer with Impeller. This cavernous interior space effortlessly accommodates the largest laundry challenges, from bulky king-size down comforters to multi-layered sleeping bags and thick winter parkas. The exterior design is exceptionally refined, featuring an intuitive LCD digital dial control positioned on the rear console that eliminates clutter while offering clear, responsive cycle navigation. Upon examining the internal build quality, we were immediately impressed by LG's Nevrust stainless steel wash drum, which features a smoothly contoured surface engineered to withstand severe physical abuse from heavy metal belt buckles, industrial zippers, and work boot hooks without scratching, rusting, or snagging delicate fabrics during high-speed agitation. A major highlight of this LG model is its integrated Easy Dispense system, an automated detergent reservoir that holds up to 18 loads of liquid detergent and fabric softener at once. During our multi-week evaluation, this system completely eliminated the mess and guesswork of manual measuring. The washer's internal sensors weigh the load and analyze fabric density, automatically injecting the exact milliliter dose of detergent required for optimal cleaning. Working alongside this is LG's AI wash technology, which uses advanced algorithms to detect fabric softness and soil levels, dynamically altering the wash motion patterns, cycle duration, and water temperature on the fly. When we loaded the machine with a mix of heavy cotton work pants and synthetic sports gear, the machine adjusted its rotation speed to deliver aggressive scrubbing for the heavy cottons while softening the wash action for the synthetics. The physical wash action relies on LG's specialized impeller system, which generates a powerful multi-directional water vortex that pulls clothes from the outer perimeter of the drum down into the high-friction center zone. 4. Electrolux 700 Series Front Load Washer. Featuring a 4.5 cubic foot drum, this washer is specifically engineered for households that battle stubborn outdoor stains, heavy grease, and deeply set-in grime. Front-loading washers inherently clean better than top loaders by using gravity to lift clothes to the top of the drum and plunge them forcefully into the wash water. When examining the physical construction of this Electrolux unit, we noted high-grade dampening shocks, an acoustically insulated cabinet, and a heavy-duty rubber door gasket reinforced with antimicrobial technology to prevent mold and mildew buildup over long-term use. The defining technological achievement of this machine is Electrolux Smart Boost system, an advanced feature that pre-mixes water and detergent in a dedicated lower chamber before spraying it uniformly onto the clothing load. In traditional washers, detergent is dumped directly onto dry clothes, leading to uneven chemical distribution and wasted soap. Smart Boost ensures that every single drop of water entering the drum is fully dissolved and chemically active from the very first second of the cycle. During our standardized stain testing, we coated heavy denim swatches with red clay, ground grass, and dark engine grease, running them on the heavy-duty cycle with Smart Boost engaged. The results were outstanding. The pre-mixed cleaning solution penetrated deep into the thick denim fibers, stripping out over 85% of the embedded discoloration without requiring any manual pre-scrubbing. In addition to Smart Boost, this washer features the LuxCare Plus wash system, which combines intelligent load sensing, customized tumble motions, and precise temperature management. It also includes a dedicated perfect steam option that injects pure steam from the bottom of the drum, gently expanding fabric fibers to release stubborn odors, sanitize workwear, and eliminate deep wrinkles. 3. Miele Front Load Washer WXF 980 Wash&Steam. With a compact 2.26 cubic foot capacity, this German-engineered machine is built like an industrial vault. Miele tests its laundry appliances for 20 years of continuous residential use, utilizing heavy cast-iron counterweights, a solid stainless steel outer tub, and commercial-grade shock absorbers. From the moment you touch the solid metal door hinge and interact with the responsive M-Touch color display, the unmatched build quality is undeniable. It is specifically designed for homeowners who demand absolute structural longevity, extreme energy efficiency, and flawless cleaning performance on the toughest stains known to household fabrics. The physical interior of the drum features Miele's patented honeycomb structure, a sculpted surface pattern that creates a micro-thin film of water between the stainless steel wall and your clothes. As the drum tumbles during heavy-duty cycles, garments glide smoothly across this cushion of water, completely preventing the fabric fraying, surface pilling, and fiber degradation commonly caused by aggressive agitation. The machine's automated cleaning power is driven by the twin-dose system, an intelligent two-phase automatic detergent dispensing mechanism. Twin-dose utilizes two specialized liquid cartridges, Ultra-Phase 1 and Ultra-Phase 2, dispensing them at precisely calculated moments during the wash cycle based on fabric type, load weight, and color. During our chemical testing, this two-phase system destroyed complex organic stains like wine, blood, and chocolate with surgical precision. 4 rapid turnarounds. Miele integrated their quick intense wash technology, which uses a dedicated recirculation pump to blast soapy water directly into the center of the garment load under high pressure. This achieves an uncompromising, industrial-grade clean in under 49 minutes. 2. Samsung Series 9 Bespoke AI Washing Machine. Eliminating the need to manually transfer heavy, waterlogged clothes from a washer to a dryer. This all-in-one appliance is built for busy, high-volume households that want maximum convenience without sacrificing raw cleaning power. The front-facing design is dominated by a stunning 7-inch AI hub touchscreen display that provides intuitive access to custom cycles, energy consumption reports, and smart home integration, allowing you to manage your laundry routine with unprecedented ease. The intelligence driving this machine centers on Samsung's AI OptiWash feature, which takes automated heavy-duty cleaning to a whole new level. Utilizing a network of internal sensors, the washer continuously measures load weight, fabric softness, and real-world water turbidity, cloudiness, throughout the wash cycle. If you're tossing garments covered in thick mud, grease, or yard waste, the sensors instantly detect the high soil level in the water, automatically adding extra detergent from the automated dispenser reservoir and extending the wash time until the water runs completely clear. During our testing with filthy gardening gear and greasy shop towels, the AI OptiWash system dynamically adapted the cycle parameters on the fly, delivering a completely spotless result without requiring any manual programming or intervention on our part. Once the wash cycle completes, the machine automatically transitions into its drying phase using advanced 120V ventless heat pump technology. Traditional combo units rely on inefficient condenser drying that bakes clothes and takes 4 to 5 hours, but Samsung's heat pump system dries heavy loads at lower, fabric-safe temperatures in a fraction of the time while using up to 50% less energy. 1. LG Mega Capacity Smart Front Load Washer with TurboWash. Offering an immense 5.0 cubic foot capacity within a heavy-duty front-load architecture, this machine represents the absolute pinnacle of washing performance, energy efficiency, speed, and fabric care. We subjected this unit to our most grueling stress tests, stuffing the stainless steel drum to its absolute limit with pet hair-covered blankets, mud-caked athletic gear, thick denim workwear, and heavy king-size comforters. Across every single test, the machine operated with flawless power, effortless efficiency, and mechanical precision, proving itself to be the ultimate heavy-duty laundry solution on the market today. At the core of its superior performance is LG's AI Direct Drive Motor System, which uses built-in artificial intelligence to analyze not just the weight of your laundry, but the precise structural softness and weave density of the fabrics inside. During operation, the motor automatically selects from 6 unique tumbling motions, ranging from gentle rolling to aggressive stepping and swinging, to maximize mechanical agitation while minimizing fabric wear. In our heavy soil tests, it delivered deep, forceful scrubbing action to dense canvas work pants while simultaneously protecting softer cotton garments in the same load. The unit also features LG's Easy Dispense system, which automatically measures and dispenses exact doses of liquid detergent and softener for up to 18 loads per fill, taking all the hassle out of pre-wash prep. When time is short, LG's TurboWash 360 technology transforms heavy-duty washing. Utilizing 5 high-pressure jet nozzles positioned strategically around the front drum, The washer sprays concentrated detergent solution directly into the heart of the fabric load from multiple angles simultaneously.